Hello guys, welcome back to my channel and now I am baking the cake. I have requested my mother that I gonna bake the cake. Now I am giving vanilla essence and it's too good. And now first of all I will give this cup, this small cup, and now I will give it again. Now I will pour it. Now I will mix it. So guys, now mixing it is too funny. So guys, I have put in this cake mold, I have put some flour and I have also put some butter. And now I am greasing it. Okay, now it's done. And now I will pour my cake butter. Now I am pouring the batter. Now I am tapping, and now I will put in this plate. I have some murabba of chal kumro. My mother has made this, and it is very tasty. Now I will put some kishmish and some kaju. First of all, I will get some kaju and kishmish. And now I will get some murabbas. Now I have kept this cake mold and now I am making cupcake. I have taken a cup and now I am pouring some oil. I will do like this for that it goes in all the sides. I am sprinkling some flour on this cup. I have taken out this cake and it is looking very beautiful. First time I have made a cake. I am really happy and I wish that the taste will very good. This is my cake. This is my cupcake. I'm really happy that I am having my favorite cupcake, my favorite shape cake, heart shape, and I'm really happy. And now I will enjoy my cake. But first of all, it gonna be I will keep it in the room temperature for some time, and after that I will pour this on a plate and it will look beautiful. So guys, just wait for the time. So guys, the time has up and the cake is so beautiful. And I like this cake. It is too yummy, I think so, and it will, because I have made this cake and I know my personality. You can also make this cake in your home. And so for today, good